Hey, hello guys. So guys, today I'm going to show you Microsoft Outlook tutorial and many of my friends ask me about this because before I made some important things from Outlook 365, but they said um make a one video for the whole Outlook tutorial. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's start. So guys, if you use Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, so you see this type of tabs there. So this is Outlook. There is Outlook 365 also. You can see my previous videos about Outlook 365. So the first thing I have to create the account on this. I have already this account, so I want to add the new account because you can merge 2, 3, 6 accounts in one Outlook. It can be Gmail, it can be Outlook or whatever. Okay, so what I have to do, you'll see there is a file tab on the top. So I click the file tab and I will find this account setting. I will click on account setting, and once I click on it, so you will find this screen. Here you see new. I click on this. I have already this account in my Outlook. So I click on new, and here you see now I have to write the email address. Suppose I have another Outlook email, so I'm writing this and press enter. It will connect with my this email address also, and I can use this Outlook also in my organization Outlook, or organization Outlook I can add in my personal Outlook. You can see it will ask you have to add Gmail or Outlook or whatever account. So here you can see now it's asking which account you want to add, 65, Outlook, Google or whatever. So my is Outlook. So I will click here, and now again I have to write my email address and press enter. I will write the password, enter, and now it will connect my account. We are getting things ready. Okay, done. So it's added my other account. I will close this. Now like this, if I have to add the other account, again I will click on file, account setting, and then suppose this time I have to add one Google account. I will click here. I write here my Google account, press enter. You can see now I will put the password on it. And you can see now this Google account, I click on allow, and this account also it will add on my Outlook. So I click on done. So now you can see I have added two accounts here in my Outlook. This one before and this one I added now. So it's added successfully. So now you can see here I have three different accounts, and for this I have inbox and everything. This is the first account what I had before. This is the second account I added Gmail, and this one also I added this account. So now we have three accounts and we can use in one place. So if I want to use this account, suppose, or I want to use another account, so I can use it easily. Suppose I choose this and I come here, I come to send receive, and when I will click on this, so all the emails I will receive here. So now you can see if I have to use suppose this email address, so all the emails from this account it will show. You just click on this inbox and all the emails from the inbox it's showing. Okay, so now we comes on Ribbon. Today just I will focus on this home tab and send receive items. So if you come home and you click on this arrow, so you can change the layout for the ribbons for this. Like I make simplified ribbon, so you can see now it's simplified. Only important ribbons are available. You will do the classic, so you can do this, and there are other options you can see. So guys, let's jump to how can we send the email to someone. So for this, you see the home tab is here, and now under the home tab, you see new email. I click on new email, and from here also you will choose the account from which account you want to send the email. All your accounts, what you added here, and also you see there are some new group of tabs. So we will use this tab for yani, when we will send the email. So so once you selected the account from which account you want to send it, here you have to choose the persons which person you are going to send this email. So suppose I write one more of my email address, and I send a demo uh, account. Suppose I added you. Okay, now after this, you see there is a semicolon. That's means I can add the other accounts too. Suppose I give my the same account, and I add this account also here. So you can also click on two, so you will see you can add the account from here, and these contacts you can search what you have it. Okay, after that, CC you uh, can do for the guys. Yani, who will see this, but this peoples cannot see this CC you did. Okay, after that you will add the subject here. Suppose hello. I Because the subject is very important. So because from the subject, when someone receives the email, so he will see this email about what he is receiving this email from your address, but about what? Maybe the problem or the error, or this is important email, or whatever title, whatever subject you write. So he will be able to see the subject with the email. You see on the top there is option tab, and here under option tab you see BCC. So this BCC is very important also. So you see this show the BCC field in which you can specify people who will receive the message secretly. Yani you will send the message, but that people's you are sending into and CC, they will not able to see this. People, you can see now, people whose name are in the BCC field cannot be seen by other receipt. So you want to send some email to the to your colleagues, but you also want to send this email to the owner, but you don't want to show them the your colleagues to. Uh, you send also this email to the owner, so you can use this. So you can click on it, it will hide, and if you click on it, it will show. Now, suppose you want to send the email and you want to attach this some file with someone. So, suppose I send this to on this address, and so under insert, you see the attach file. You will click attach file. Suppose I want to attach this video, or you want to attach some other file. So, browse this PC, and you can add the file from here. Suppose this I attached, and when I will send, so he will find this attached file in your email. So when you click on insert, you see different types of ribbons or tabs here. Suppose the picture, you can send these pictures from your computer. Shapes, you can send the shapes, 3D models, and also the uh, smart art, different types of style of the text. And so there are too many things. Screenshot, you can send the screenshot, screen clipping from their desktop or laptop screen. Okay, so there are different things you can attach with this, and you can send by email. So suppose I added this text here, and now I have to make it bold or size big or different types of font I want to use it. So what I will do, you see on the top there is the format text. So you can choose the text, you can select the text and you can make it bigger or smaller or whatever you want. You can make it bold, italic, underline, or like the Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. The same way you can use this tabs. Alignment, you can choose the alignment, you can give the heading, or you can any the color of text, you can change it, you can highlight it. So whatever you want. So from this format text you can change the text size, color, or the style, or whatever you want. If you will double click on any of the words, so the word will be choose one click, you the word will select, and if you do double click, so the whole sentence will select. So also this is the easiest way to select some of text or some words in Outlook. So once you select the sentence, so you see there is different options for, you can change the style or the colors, or the you can highlight or whatever you want. Okay, you write the text here, and after that you can you want to create the signature on this, your signature. So you will go to insert and you see there is a signature. Okay, so when you will click on signature, so you can create the new signature. Suppose I created this one already, and I want to create the new one. So I suppose I write here my name. Here I can give my phone number, mobile number, or whatever I want. So every when you will send email, the signature you can select and it will go with your email. I add my number, and so the signature will add here, and I can give the signature. Suppose I want this one, or now I created this one. So whatever you want, you can add it. So if you go to message, and you see there is the option for dictate, and suppose I write, I say, I hope you will be fine. So now you can send the message in, yani, he can listen the message, whatever you are sending. You can use immersive reading, and this one also you have different option in this immersive reading. Okay. You see, if I want to close this email, so it will ask me you want to save. We saved a draft, because if you will click this, so it will save as a draft and you can use later for other email, or the same email you don't want to send the email on the same time now. So it will save in draft and you can open. But if you will click on no, so it will delete it. Suppose I click yes. So you see now in draft, I will find this email. So now you can see now it will save in draft here, and you can open it from here and send it again. So once you finish everything, you write the subject, suppose important email or whatever. So after that, after subject, you will click on send and it will send to this guy. And if you are doing CC or you are doing BCC, so it will go on the same person. Like I click on send, I click on send. You can use control N for the new email, the shortcut key from the keyboard. Okay, there is another way to reply for someone email. Suppose I received this email, and when I click on it, so you see this reply. Okay, he sent too many people, the whole department, the whole IT department, he sent it. Once I click on reply, so I will send only the person who sent me. But if I send But if I want to send this to all who is added in CC and BCC, not BCC, BCC cannot see. So you will click on reply. And if you want to forward this email to some other colleague or some other one, so you will click on forward and you can forward this email to someone. Again, reply all, it will goes to the all peoples who are in CC and 2. Okay, so now we know the how to send email, how to send reply forward. So now, if you want to delete your email from the inbox, so what you will do, you will right click and you will see there are too many options here. And so one, there is one option delete. You can delete option. You can move into junk email. Junk email is basically you don't. It's a garbage, or yani you don't see. This is not important for you. And there are too many options also there. From here you can reply forward or whatever you want. Suppose you delete this email, as there is also on the each email there is one recycle, delete the item. You Once you delete this item, it will go where? In delete. Like you can see, this is my email and I was using this one. So there is the option trash, and in trash you will find that email what you deleted. You will find the name trash or the delete files. If you want to bring this delete file from the trash, or you want to bring it back, so just you will click on the trash and you will drag and drop in inbox or wherever you want. um, so now suppose I have two files in trash, and this files I want to bring it again in my inbox, so I can drag this and I can bring this in the inbox or wherever I want, or I can right click on it or move into which folder you want. One more thing I want to point out here, suppose some emails are important for you, and these emails you want to highlight. So you see on each email there is the flag sign. You can click on it, on this flag. So this email will highlight it. And if you right click on the flag, so you see this is a flag you want to see today, tomorrow, or next week, or as a reminder you want, you can clear the flag if you want. So this is for the important emails. You can see, you can view your emails by date, or from, or to, or yani, flags. If you put flags on some of the emails, so that emails you can filter, or you can see, or date wise, the for the current date will become first or the last date. So suppose I click on from, so you see now this is all the emails what I receive from someone. Like this, if I select this and I click on date wise, so it will be the last date, it will be up. Also you can go to view, and these are the same things you can see here, from date, from, or flag, or whatever you want to view, from which option you can select it. How many lines you want to see here in this any some emails has two lines, one line, or three lines, or whatever you want. Usually selected one line. Okay, now we talk about the peoples, the content what you want to add. So you see on the left hand side there are the peoples, so you can click on it, and Here you see there are different types of tabs, new contact, new group, or whatever. Suppose I click on new contact, it will ask you all the information about that person, the number, email address, the business phone number, or this. And after fill this form, you have to click on save and close, and this contact will add in your list. Okay, guys, if you want to listen your email, so uh, what you will do it you will click on home and you will click on read. I suppose this is the short email, and click on read aloud. So it, it will read your email.